Hey guys, if you want to become forensic accountant, fraud investigator, corporate investigator, financial investigator, insurance investigator, and regulatory compliance investigators. And guys, if you want to become cybercrime expert, litigation support experts, judiciary experts, and guys, if you want to become internal auditor, then we NVEA are going to introduce a splendid and fantastic forensic accounting course only for you. If you want to pursue a splendid career in the banking, judiciary, and the regulatory boards, for example, FBI, SEBI, CBI, etc., then you can join this course. And guys, if you want to access more information about this course, then you can visit our official website, whose official URL link is www.navia.in. And guys, if you want to get a fresh notifications about any OD courses, for example, primary, upper primary, secondary, higher secondary, and higher educations, via academic, professional, vocational, and technical streams under NVEA, NIOS, ROSOS, VMOU, and IGNOU, then you can contact our individual numbers. Helpline number 09414008310. I repeat again, 09414008310. Thank you so much guys. All the best.